In a stunning turn of events, a federal judge has stepped in to prevent the Trump administration from firing federal workers during the government shutdown. This decision sends a clear message about the boundaries of power, even in times of crisis. Let's delve into the details of this pivotal ruling. On Wednesday, a U.S. District Court judge in San Francisco, Susan Yvonne Illston, issued a temporary restraining order, effectively halting the administration's plans. This came just 5 days after the government issued reduction in force (RIF) notifications to over 4,000 federal employees. Judge Illston's words were sharp, stating that the administration's actions were contrary to the laws. She emphasized, "You can't do this in a nation of laws." Two powerful unions, representing tens of thousands of federal workers, were the driving force behind this legal challenge. They sought to block the layoffs, and Judge Illston's order granted their request. The Trump administration had previously warned of these layoffs, with President Donald Trump himself framing the cuts as targeting Democrat agencies or initiatives. But here's where it gets controversial. Shortly before the judge's order, White House Budget Director Russell Vought predicted that over 10,000 federal jobs could be cut due to the shutdown. This raises questions about the scale and intent of the administration's actions. Judge Illston's reasoning was clear. She believed the administration was taking advantage of the shutdown to disregard existing laws. She stated they were acting as if all bets are off, and that they could impose structures they favored. She also indicated that the unions were likely to prove the administration's actions were illegal and arbitrary and capricious. Democracy Forward, an advocacy group representing the unions, applauded the judge's decision. Skye Perryman, the CEO, stated that the president's actions were unlawful and a threat to the nation. Perryman also highlighted that the president's actions were straight out of Project 2025's playbook. What do you think about the judge's decision? Do you believe the administration's actions were justified, or do you agree with the judge's ruling? Share your thoughts in the comments below.